We have seen significant volatility in the market this week of trading, and right now is market still going to move down? And on the 4-hour chart, are we still expecting this market coming down, or from here market is going to retrace before coming back to the downside? On ETH 4-hour chart, look at here, market is consolidating. Is the market is going to go down or market is going to move up and come up to this area of resistance? ADA and also on Matic, all of these and more into this analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, hit subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this, and also check the channel for other educational content. On the 1-day chart, BTC USDT, I have been updating you on what I am expecting according to my analysis and my strategy, my directional bias on this very channel. And from here, I am still expecting the market to come down. That is my own directional bias. I want this market to come down based on technical analysis and also fundamentals. This week of trading, we've seen a lot of volatility in the market as a result of the Fed interest rate decision, which interest rate was kept unchanged, but the Fed chairman statement was very hawkish. That's what led to the market dropping up to this very point. I am still expecting this market to come down on the 1-day chart. Without doubt, this market should come into this very level of support. I am not expecting this market to move up. If the market do move up, then it should break this level of important resistance right here, and this very area of resistance, this very zone should be broken before any move to the upside. And if the market begin to move to the upside gradually, I will not consider it for anything. That is, I will not buy the market. Rather, I will still keep paying attention to short opportunity because market is going to come back to the downside. This is what I am expecting, and this is what you need to watch on the 1-day chart. Market is going to come into this level of important support. And if you look at the MACD have started reduction in momentum on the MACD histogram, with the MACD line and the signal line gradually coming close to each other at this very point. This is also an important indication that the market is going to come back to the downside. Moreover, if we see the histogram start formation on the negative side of the MACD with red bars, is a further confirmation that this market is going to move to the downside. But let's say you trade without indicator. Without indicator, this market is still going to come down, and you should be looking for short opportunity, not buying the market. On the 4-hour chart, BTC USDT, if you look at this very area, I told the market is going to come into this zone. Market just spike into it and then come back right up, and this very zone is where I am still expecting the market to drop into. So at the moment, I am expecting the market to move a little bit into this area and then good retracement before continuation to the downside. That means don't look for buy yet. Don't buy where the market is right now. A little move to the downside will be a good idea. And if the market starts pumping upward, that means if we begin to see some strong bullish move upward, the market is going to still sell, because this will be a retracement of this impulsive move to the downside, and market is going to begin to move from here downward. So what you need to do is to pay attention to selling, that is shorting the market on futures. Either you wait for the market to retrace up to this point before you sell the market, or you wait for the market to come in here a little bit. Retracement will be a nice time to short from this very area for the market to move downward. This is what you should be paying attention to right now. Pay attention to shorting and not buying the market. And on the ETH chart, if you look at it, I told you market is going to come into this very zone of important support, and that is what I am still expecting on the ETH chart. I am expecting that the market is going to move down. So market can move a little bit downward and then retrace and finally come into this very area. It's not going to be any magic movement. That means market will not just drop into this area. The possibility exists in the market, but there can be a situation where the market can move a little bit, retrace, and come back right here. What this means is you should pay attention to shorting. Don't buy the market. There is no need buying the market, and the market is going to come into this very zone of important support. Look at this area in the past. Market move upward, which also means that if market come into this area, which is what I am expecting right now, the market is going to bounce up from this area with significant move before continuation. So if you are a counter trend trader, this area will be a nice point for you to take a counter trend position for a buy on ETH USDT 4-hour chart, because here we will see some sort of volatility to the upside. So the bullish momentum is going to increase here to the upside than where the market is right now, and this is what you should be watching on ETH USDT 4-hour chart. And on the other chart, if you look at it, I told you market is going to come into this very zone, and that is the exact same point where the market is right now. If you watch my in-depth last video on the channel, I told you to watch this very area, and that other is going to come into this point, and that is the exact same point where the market is at the moment. What you should be doing right now is not buying. Like I said, market is going to just move a little bit into this area, maybe possibly have a liquidity grab from this point a little bit downward, and then begin to move up again. So it would be wise for you to short the market at the end of retracement. That means market will come down, liquidity grab, and then move to the upside, and then it will be a nice time for you to short the market at the end of retracement from this very point. And this is going to happen. I am also going to be updating you on this very channel. And what you need to do right now is not to buy, not to sell on ADA, because market is going to go down a little bit into this very area of support. I know the market is in the zone already, but a little move downward is required before that very move to the upside for significant retracement of this very long impulsive move on ADA. This is what you should be paying attention to right now on ADA USDT 4-hour chart. Matic chart, I also told you that market is going to come into this very zone, and that is exact same point where the market is right now. So market from here come into this very zone of support. As at when I did this video, market was at this very candle. So this candle was still forming when I did this very video on the channel right here. And right now, market has dropped into this area as predicted. If you are following the channel and you watch this very analysis and you took advantage of the market moving to the downside, congratulations, you should be in profit. And right now is not the best time to buy the market. The market is going to move down a little bit before continuation. So if you know that your stop loss is going to be very, very large from this very area of important support, then a buy position for a counter trend trade. That means you're not going to stay in the position for a long time. Very snappy position, and you're going to do this from the 1-hour chart. Remember, this analysis is done on the 4-hour chart. So if you want to take a very short, snappy, long position or buy position, you have to go back to the 1-hour chart and take that position for scalping. Else, the market is going to go down. If you are not a counter trend trader, please look for short opportunity. Don't buy. Even if the market come here, market is going to go up and give you a nice short opportunity for the market to come back down again, and to be a nice time for you to short from this very area. I will be updating you as well on this very channel. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now, and a breakout right here on the Matic chart is going to send the market into this very zone of important support. So this very support is very, very important and also significant on the chart. A breakout here, market is going to drop into this area, and this is another area we will see significant retracement from in this very point on Matic chart. So if you're not a counter trend trader, all you need to do is to short the market on Matic, look for short on ADA, and also shorting on ETH 4-hour chart and on BTC 4-hour chart. What do you think is going to happen on this chart? Do you think it's going to go according to my prediction, market coming back to the downside, or from here you think the market is going to go up a little bit and still move down? Comment below. I want to hear your comments. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.